Hello, my name is Muhammad Kais Esa, and today I'm going to be presenting about the introduction. In this regard, we have selected a private company, which is the private company is one of the supplier organization that intended in dealing with wholesalers and selling car spare parts in Malaysia. As you guys information, the company's name is New Hong Fat Sendirian Berhad, and this company also is based in one of the districts in Klang and has been operated for more than 10 years. The reason we chose this organization is because this company is one of the private companies that has a specific organizational branch in their management. For instance, they have a legal department and also they have a field department. Accordingly, the company also has a large factory to make an automotive goods to be traded to wholesalers. In addition, the company also has many employees through each of the department that has been counted for almost 200 employees. Therefore, we are very interested to know this company in more depth, to know how their employee handle the work that has been given by the board of director, as well as how the resource department being operated toward their team cooperation against subordinates workers. And finally, as a result, we have agreed to conduct a joint interview with one of the representatives from the company. And in this situation also, we are very fortunate that one of the representatives of the company has responded quickly to join us in discussing more about the leadership through this interview. And accordingly, the representative of the company is one of the executive from the Human Resource Department who employs as Mr. Shafiq bin Muhammad Ramli. This interview also was conducted on 26 May 2021, and Mr. Shafiq has worked with us very well in making the interview more success in sharing a lot of suggestions as well as mechanism for a better organization in the future.
Hi, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Kamrul Zaman. My matric number is 259168. My part is organizational background. Our group chose New Hong Fat Berhad, which is a Malaysia-based investment company. This company have three business division, which are the manufacturing, trading and investment. This company also sells hoods, fenders, doors and panels, as well as oil and lubricants for the vehicles. They also produce car body parts replacement in metals and plastic. Next, Auto Global Part Industry Sdn Bhd and New Hong Fat Auto Supply Sdn Bhd, which are their subsidiaries. Now, the company have an approved manufacturer of parts and components for Edaran Automobile Nasional Sdn Bhd and Tan Chong and Sons Motors Co., which are respectively for Proton and Nissan automobiles. In addition, the major distribution centers are in Klang, Selangor, and now they expand to become a prominent distributor in Malaysia, where they supplying the automobile component to the local replacement market. As a result, the company has become the industry leader in the distribution of the alternative automotive replacement part. Next, in 2011, New Hong Fat have expanded its global reach by establishing leading automobile trading business in Jakarta, Indonesia and Shanghai, China. The effort to develop new product and expand its control over quality and cost while reducing lead time in the manufacturing of produce the body parts. And lastly, the New Hong Fat invests in cutting edge technology and machine such as the stamping machine, plastic injection machine, metal inert gas, hemming robots, and cathodic electrodeposition in line to strengthen its technical and production skills over the time. That's all from me. Thank you.
In the beginning, about meeting process, the selection of certain organization has been made by search for a private organization that basically based on one of the social media platform. After conduct the organization selection, our group must try to find a representative of the organization that can be our informer during the interview session. For the second part is about the session process. The beginning of our discussion start around 1 hour, include about detail of the Mr. Shafiq background and his personal information such as biodata, hobbies and so on. He also explained roughly about his job scope and anything about his organization. For the last part is about the group discussion. We all participate in a joint discussion with Mr. Shafiq through exchange of view as well as question, answer and public opinion.
To avoid the issue become more serious, there are several solutions that has been done by the company to avoid the issue become worse. For the first issue is opposite opinion. To solve this issue, the company held the open communication. During this session, everyone can give their feedback or complaint and exchange their idea or opinion to avoid misunderstanding. During this session, the leader also will make decisions that relevant for the current situation and good for company itself and their employee. For the second issue, which is worker misinterpret, the company have the discussion with person in charge. This action is purposely to see the perspective, how they see this task and how they will complete the task. And then they also want to avoid miscommunication between employee, and the most important thing is they want to reduce huge error. The next issue is training issue. So the company have a regular meeting, as the student may make some error during the task given. So by doing this regular meeting, the leader want to see what they have done during this week and what they can improve for the following week for the better result. So the issue of training make mistake can be reduced and avoid from become worse. For the issue misconduct at fieldwork, the solution that made by company is they use democratic leadership style. The leader give the permission to the top performer to conduct, and then the top performer will make decision when something need to be settled urgently. Even though the leader give the freedom for the top performer to conduct, but the leader is still there to guide or control. The next issue is division department problem. So for this issue, the solution that made by company is they provide guidance. So for example, for new employee, the leader will guide them to improve their knowledge and consistent make engagement with employee. And then the employee are require having a clearly understanding about their job description. And the company also have meeting with employee to follow up the progress of job given.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurjana binti Muhammad Saleh. My matric number is 259457. I will continue our presentation with context of issue or problem that occur in leadership. First issue is opposite opinion. Opposite opinion can occur among leader and employees or among employees and employees. This means when they want to do their work, they keep fighting and want to say that their opinion is right. It can give effect to the result for their work. And second issue is worker misinterpret. Misinterpret is what they interpret when they receive the info or the assignment, which is during the discussion and meeting, they had received wrong info, which is when they accept the info, they say like A, but some person they say B. So they have misinterpreted the information. And the third issue occur is misconduct. For leadership, they have misconduct the workers, and also did not alert with the situation of workers. For this issue, we cannot just blame the workers. The leader itself also, we must know that they also do the wrong and mistake. Every pupil did not do all thing right, but we also can reflect ourselves, which is did we do the instruction is right or not. And for the as a leader also did not take the responsibility for the environment of employees, or about the self problem or family problem matter for the company. And the last issue is about training issue. For your information, New Hong Fat also receive student for training. The training issue arise when the student complain to supervisor or to leader that they had being bullied at company. They receive many work from other employees that want to bully them. This issue also had received complaint from student to their lecturer or management. It can give bad reputation for the company. That's all from me. Thank you.
As for the conclusion, this academic classifier has explained in detail about the issues and mechanism that have taken place in the company. Apart from that, this writing also has included many things that can be used as a reference in the field of leadership and organization. In this field also, we have stated about the organizational structuring and leadership and how it relates to employees' perceptions with their task breakdown in order to achieve company goals. And in general, this academic discussion also has been based on the leadership sector with a superior dimension, which it has involved a several issue of the organizational welfare, such as the opposite opinions, worker misinterpretation, and misconduct at work. With those issues that have been presented by the representative from the company, we have also managed to relate some of the problems with the learning elements that have been applied by our lecturer while in the class. And also, in conclusion, this academic writing also has managed to collect some of the issues that occur in the organization that has involved a superior as well as their subordinate employees on how they're dealing with a working progression towards one and others. And finally, we have also successfully linked the situation that occurs in the company with the element of learning through leadership communication subject that has been provided in our class. Not to forget, we are also very grateful to Mr. Shafiq as the executive representative of New Hong Fat Sedia Berhad through the Human Resource Department to have a jointly discussion and decent cooperation in working with us through the interview. Thank you.